Good morning. Today is Wednesday, November 29th, the second last day towards the month end. And the time right now in Singapore is 10:53 11:30 in the morning. And going forward, we want to recap what happened overnight on Wall Street. Basically, the market actually pulled back from the November high, and the high traded was last Friday at 34,386.51. And over the last two trading day, market has basically been pulling back, and the main focus will be tonight's at 2:30 a.m. in the morning. The Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell will be making a speech, and most people will be watching out for what he's going to be able to tell us in terms of what is going to be the interest rate hike quantum for the December FOMC meeting, which will happen on December 14th. So this market has actually been going up based on the idea that the Federal Reserve may actually slow down the rate of increase from 75 basis point to 50 basis point. So we'll be looking out for clues tonight as to whether he affirmed this outlook, or if he believes the market is the Federal Reserve is likely to continue hiking at 75 basis points. So we will be looking into his speech for clues tonight. So watch out for the move that's coming in at 2:30 in the morning, 2:30 our time in the morning. Okay, so overnight we can see that the Dow Jones has actually pulled back, and right now it actually gives us a buying opportunity. If you look at the daily 1 hour time frame, you can see market has pulled back quite a fair bit from the low of 33,000 to 39.75. Right now it's about 50%, and we want to see whether the market is able to rally from here onwards. Whereas the S&P 500 has pulled back a little bit deeper than what I expected. Originally I was thinking market can actually stabilize at 50% mark, which I actually gone long, and I actually added more position, and the 61.8% pullback from 3,906 to 4,034. But the market went lower to test the 78.6 retracement level, and then started to rebound after midnight last night. So like I said, this would be a fantastic setup provided this low at 3906.5 is not taken out this round. Okay, so this is setting the stage for maybe another rally going forwards. Again, very much dependent on what Powell is going to be talking about tonight. As for the Nasdaq, we can see the Nasdaq actually is leading the way down. Among all the three major equity index, Nasdaq is currently the weakest, and it does look like technically market has not finished its pullback. Maybe it will go down to 13,400 levels to 13,200. So no, sorry, not 13,000, 11,345 to 11,200 levels. And if the market can stabilize around here, then maybe it will be setting the stage or a base for the market to propel higher. We will have to watch this round. Over in Hong Kong, we can see that equity prices in Hong Kong actually went up. As of this morning, we can see the market actually have a high 18,376, and this is on the back of a poor number coming up from China this morning. At 9:30 we have the report of the China manufacturing and non-manufacturing PMI numbers. It came in less than idea. Market was expecting for manufacturing PMI to be at 49, came out at 48. So it wasn't a pretty number. But what is more glaring is the non-manufacturing numbers. Market was expecting 51.7. It came in at 46.7. So it's a purely bad number, but yet the market is still very, very stable. In fact, it is showing sign that it may actually go higher. And of course, that is always based on the idea that the Chinese authority may actually ease the zero COVID lockdown protocol right now, which has caused widespread protests in many parts of China. So maybe they will be relaxing that, and market is buying up on the optimism of the possibility that maybe the central government will actually relax the COVID-19 very strict protocol right now. Okay, so I think this is also where the foreign fund managers are also looking forward to. Okay, over in Shanghai Composite Index, we see this optimism with the Shanghai Composite actually have a marginal high. Right now the market this morning as of now, the market is at 3,157, which is the highest we have seen this month. Okay, so in the daily time frame, we can see that this market, the rebound, I've always mentioned this rebound does not look complete, and if this current optimism can carry the Shanghai Composite Index higher, possibly we can see a market gunning for 3,226 to 3,281 levels, of which I think then they will come under serious profit taking. So we will have to watch this level as the markets rally as it is right now. Over in the Nasdaq, we can see that the Nasdaq Composite in the Nikkei 225 has broken. Yesterday's we have seen price action broke the very near term support line, and it was actually tried to get back in, but was kept by this support mountain resistance line, and this morning market actually came back down again. So in the absence of any positive news from the US equities, I think the Nikkei 225 is basically marking time. But if we get a positive result from Jerome Powell speech later tonight, maybe if the US equity market recovers, then maybe the Nikkei will actually follow suit. Over in the currency market, the dollar is basically rebounding, but it is rebounding in ever narrowing trading ranges. We can see the market now high is at 139.60 to a low of 137.50. So this market has been trading within this very narrowing band of trading ranges. My original target was for market to actually test the 136.40 levels before it rebound, but that can still happen. We will have to see what happens after the speech tonight. Okay. Over in sterling, market is also pulling back, and then this morning we see a bit of a rebound, but basically the dollar, because it's coming back up again, that's why it's depressing all other currencies. Right now, I have no view on sterling. I'm just basically holding a, just watching how the market develops. Over in the euro, I think the euro may continue to trade lower. Okay, right now it's already flirting at 103 levels. The lowest traded last night as a 103.21. So maybe the market will edge down a little bit longer. We will have to watch how the market actually reacts as we watch this move. Okay, but by and large, if the market can go down to 102, okay, which is about this level, if the market can test this level one more time, there is a possibility of a setup for a long position here. So right now I'm just watching. If the market does come near to this level, maybe I will watch out for buying signal and then go long here, go for 104.80. 104.80 is back to this high here, which is this high. Okay, so I will have to see whether the market have enough range to go up back here now. Over in dollar versus the CAC, yesterday the dollar CAC actually rallied up to 136.46, and I actually went short at 136 and holding the market will actually come back down again. So this is a medium-term view. I think the market can actually come back and test the 131. Okay, 131 is below this level. 131 is about here. Let's go back to the daily time frame to give an idea of where the market may actually hit going from here. So this is actually a very low risk trade, because right now I can place my stop just above 136.46, which is the overnight high. I think my market is going to be, if for price to come back down in this bracket of prices between 130.28 to 131 or 132. So 131.30 is, I think, quite a reasonable target to get to actually gun for. We will see whether the market can actually go back there. Okay. Over in the crude oil market, we can see crude oil basically continue to edge higher. Earlier on in the week, or at least into the end of last week, we can see market has been coming down on the idea that global demand is going to be lesser because China continue to adhere to its very strict COVID-19 zero COVID policy, and that means that China will import in less energy products. And of course, the same reason now this is that maybe China government may actually relax this policy that caused the crude oil prices to rally. And on top of that, the OPEC Plus, including Russia, they are meeting over Zoom this Sunday, and market expect them to tighten production, means to cut production one more time, and this is causing the crude oil market, the energy market to stabilize. There is every possibility if this market at 73.60 cents is not coming back again, then this could be the low for this round, and the market could be gunning a return back to $94. This is where I think the market could be possibly heading. Okay, I can't get this up. Okay, $94 is where we were at the month and near the beginning of the month. Okay, so on November the 7th, the market will trade up to $93.74. So there is this possibility the market may go back up to this level, and currently there is a very low risk trade, because the stop should be placed below $73.60. Okay, so this is basically a bullish call, saying that maybe the crude oil market may have already stabilized and is getting ready to power higher. Okay, over in the precious metal market, the market is basically consolidating in ever narrowing range. You can see the market is compressing, and basically it's still going up. And on the we will have to see what happens, because I think the market may actually come back down again. current target is about $1,700 thereabout. Okay, somewhere near 1,700, maybe not even 1,700, maybe $1,705. I will start looking out for position to cover, because I'm really short this gold market, hoping that the market will actually take out the 1,738 for the first sign that the market is coming down, and then target $1,705. Okay. Silver market is also showing the same symptom. It is consolidating. You can see the market has very tight trading range over the last 48 hours. Maybe it will continue to consolidate, and maybe for all we know, it will come back to test the $20 one more time. Okay, and that will be a better entry level to go long. Over in crypto, we can see this morning there was a big spike up in the Bitcoin prices. Bitcoin, for as we can remember, in most in recent memories, after the fallout from the FTX fiasco, Bitcoin now is back to $17,000 and currently is trading just under $16,900. So you can see this spike here possibly could be gunning for this range of prices at 17,300 to 17,650. So this will be where I think the market will come under selling pressure. So do watch out for this level as the market continues to edge higher. Over in Ethereum, I currently have no position. I was knocked out of a long position from somewhere here during this sell-off, and I did not take a loss, but I also did not make money. And so now you can see the market has actually rallied up to 1,279.6. And my original target was for market to go up to $1,300. So it's getting very close to this target. So definitely it does not pay to chase this market. In fact, if the market goes higher, it could be coming under selling profit taking levels. So basically we have to watch out for potential profit taking here. Ripple did not go very much, although it managed to recover from 0.3751 to above 40 cents, and market now is easing back a little bit, but it does looks like it has already hit its target here above 41 cents, and so right now it's very near to 41 cents one more time. So we have to watch this move. Bitcoin, Binance Coin did not have a similar robust rally this morning. Right now it's pulling back to just under $300 per coin. So but this coin so far has been very resilient. For all we know, market will actually pull back, go down below 287.6 and maybe come back down again. If this is the case, we will have to prepare for this possibility here. Let me call up this, give you an idea. So if this is going to be the case, the market may go down to $275. So do watch out for this potential pullback here. The other coins have no major move. Dogecoin actually has very firm, go back to almost 11 cents, and we have to watch this move as it unfolds. Okay, and of course this is always on the news or on rumors that Twitter may actually work with Binance to come up with a payment coin for access to Twitter. So Dogecoin seems to be rumored to be the favorite one. So we will have to watch a development on this space here. So in the meantime, this is all I have for you for today. We will see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.